So Uncle Steve's birthday just passed, and today we're going to Aunt Gina's to go swimming in his pool and have a barbecue. So we will take you along with us every step of the way. Alright, these are the pick.
You got it.
Yes, sir. Clyde is getting some love. Hi, Clyde. Going to Aunt Gina's. He's so cute. I didn't see that. Hey, Clyde. We're gonna be gone for a little bit. Dad will be back tonight. Okay, we're gonna head out to Aunt Gina's soon. I brought some bracelet stuff, so we'll take you along with us. Stay tuned for everything at Aunt Gina's. Hi, Monty. Hi.
Hi.
Monty! Yes. Hello, Monty. You met Macy? That's good. Happy birthday, acceptable Uncle Steve.
It was amazing. Oops.
Hi, Uncle Nooch. There's Monty. Hello. Nope, down. Good boy.
I like it's a rack of lamb.
Here's some lamb lollipops. Hey, Mooshi. Hi. The cousins are watching Joe Bart. They love this show. I think they were watching it in Montauk. Check out those vlogs if you haven't. No chips for you. Maybe I might go swimming in here later in the rain. I don't know. Not nice weather. Three, two, one. I made my first flower bracelet with seed beads with a needle and thread, and I did really good.
All right, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So the cat escaped, the cat escaped, it goes to the canopy box. And the other one, ready? Boom. Oh, there it goes. Boom. How does it go? Ready? Boom, chicken boom. Up, 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 boom, chicken boom. Boom, boom, chicken boom. All right, we're gonna work on that last.
All right. Nice. There's a beautiful rainbow. Here's Uncle Steve's cake. Yum, yum, yum. Happy birthday. Yes, sir.
That's how we do it.
How's the cake, everybody?
What? Yeah,
Right.
we got so much cake.
Yes, sir, and ma'am. It's been a really fun summer with a lot of summer vlogs. Check them all out if you haven't. And last year's vlogs when we first started. So stay tuned for next year's vlogs. I have Easter vlog coming. We'll get togethers, Christmas, birthday, Super Bowl, Uncle Steve's Mom Memorial, and all that stuff. So, peace out, Buttercup. We're closing out the vlog right now. Bye!